what the hold up is. I'm a little sport, I'll be the first to admit it.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Cracking the Code's YouTube channel. Today is a video that I've waited to film for so long, but I had to, 1, find the time, 2, find the motivation, 3, just kind of have the money to do this. We're finally going to be doing the building my tech setup video. Now, of course, I'm not building it in one day. This is going to be a process of over weeks, maybe months, but hopefully it comes together well. Today's process will kind of be doing the ideation. Oh my god, this sounds like I'm solving a coding problem, but I'm going to be doing the ideation, the brainstorming of how I want my tech setup to turn out, and I also need to search for things that I've always wanted / needed in my room, and I'm also trying to create a theme because clearly, as you can see behind me, we have a lot of themes going on. We got this fairy light, we got pink, we got this, then we got my gaming chair, and then we have the rest of my setup, which is kind of like birch. It's not cohesive. Anyways, I'm not going to be changing my entire room, as in like buying all the stuff for my room. I mainly want to focus on where I'm going to be working, where I'm going to be studying and working and doing all my coding stuff during school and during my programs and all my admin work. I feel like a new space would be so motivating, and I haven't changed my setup or my room or almost anything in like 10 plus years. Let's get started.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly.
Now it was time to gain inspiration, and I went to Andres Vidosa's channel. This guy's videos are so cinematic and they are beautiful, and I always look at them for inspiration. I ended up going for a red and black theme because it does match my gaming chair, and based on that I was going on Amazon and IKEA, just looking for furniture and things that would match my visioned theme.
Everyone's lining up to see her.
Once I got the main stuff down, I started bookmarking things that I liked or I would want in my room, and I put that onto a spreadsheet of things I need, the current stuff I have, and the things I want. I highly recommend using a spreadsheet, although it looks like it would take a lot of time. It was actually easy to make. It took me under 15 minutes to make all of this, and it was keeping everything organized, and when I did want to look at any links, I could just click them and they were right there with the price. We have secured my desk. This was so heavy to bring in for this, up like the floors and stuff, but this was like one of the 3 left in stock at Vaughan, and the next one was all the way at Ottawa. So I'm so happy I got this because I've been waiting for a long time. This is not the original one that I wanted. The one I wanted was a little less expensive, but you get what you get.
They mustard. I'm a jumper
wooden plates over here. I believe like these are the, yeah, this is definitely the side of the drawer, so the channel goes on here. These wood pieces are probably the bottoms of the cabinets. Let's keep looking. We have a lot of screws over here. Interesting. By the way, everything I buy should be linked in the description below. So if you're looking for similar things, or you want to just see the prices of everything, you'll find them in the description. This is like an unboxing of stuff I don't even know about, but you know. There you go, there's the classic manual for assembling stuff. The one that is literally made for people who don't even know how to speak English, so anyone can build. Hashtag IKEA. Anyways, so many blankets. Bro, I like broke my back bringing this upstairs. This is going to be interesting to figure out. This is one box, meaning one cabinet. So I have to do this twice. This can take, this should be fast. Actually, I believe in myself. This shouldn't take too long. Okay. Let me just bring the rest of the tools. Okay. I've secured it in the bag. I got my hammer, my scissors, and my screwdriver, which has all sorts of bits. So I should get it. This is like when I was in the robotics team, we would build robots, and we would get like all the parts, and sometimes we'd be missing them, and then we'd have to figure out how to still put it together. It's gonna be like this. This is fun. I always found putting together furniture therapeutic for some reason. I always found it fun, unless you're with a not fun person, and then it becomes not fun. But if you are on your own, or you're with your friends and you're building stuff, especially stuff from IKEA, because like the instructions are usually really clear. So that's that. We have our Allen key, of course, the staple. I have like, because of the amount of furniture I have in my home that's from IKEA, I have like 14 Allen keys. So this is only just gonna add to my collection, which is nice.
I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without. Girl, I'm lost without you. I swear I'm lost without you. All I think about is I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. Girl, I'm lost without you. I swear I'm lost without you. All I think about is you. Cause baby fine like wine. Now her spirit's all in my mind. Couldn't have shown up at a better time. They say you seek and you shall find. I know you want the truth inside the lies. Her heart cries, you know she traumatized. Don't know why but looking for a reply. A piece of hope she keep it deep inside. I can't get enough of you. How many times you gon' run in circles? You can't keep on running from the truth. Go ahead and let them haters take a shot. You know our love is bulletproof. All they tryna do is drain your energy. Now it's time to recoup.
And that, my friends, is one cabinet. One cabinet. That was a lot of work for one cabinet. Now time to do it for another big one, 3 small ones, and then I still have another drawer to do. So that's just gonna take some time.
Let me be a stress reliever, baby. I can't wait to put my paws on you. I can't believe what anybody telling me. Tired of that drama, misery, and jealousy. Only time to tell if this really meant to be. I don't expect you to show me no sympathy. Walk out talking, I know my identity. Gave her my heart and told her I would never leave. No, she a rider, she already got the key. I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. Girl, I'm lost without you. I swear I'm lost without you. All I think about is you. Cause baby fine like wine. Now her spirit's all in my mind. Couldn't shown up at a better time. They say you seek and you shall find. I know you want the truth inside the lies. Her heart cries, you know she traumatized. Don't know why but looking for a reply. A piece of hope she keeping deep inside.
Hello, I'm just gonna film this really quickly. It is currently 11:30 right now. It took me beyond long, like so much longer than I expected. Like I probably started at 6:30 and finished at 11. And I did take breaks in between and I talked to people, but like that was like 4 hours of work just putting this together. Anyways, this is how it looks. The lighting is horrible here. Let me just turn on the light. Yeah. So my gaming chair perfectly fits. I built these cabinets. So far, like, I don't have anything keeping the cabinets and the tabletop together, so I still have to do that. I kind of just put my setup on there so I could move. My old desk is right here. Everything's kind of a mess around the house because of like the wrapping and everything. It's best that I end off the day here, and I'll see you tomorrow. The last time I said bye to you guys was like a week and a half ago. A lot has happened ever since. Actually, no, not a lot is happening. My desk is looking the exact same. Nothing has changed about my desk yet. But I did right now just order everything off of Amazon and order my posters from Displate. So I got all of my accessories and I still have to do my monitor setup. But yeah, I'm just like in the middle of school and stuff, so I thought I would vlog that. Hopefully the next time I see you is when I actually get the packages and I'm opening them, so I'm so happy. Hello everyone! It's the next day since I vlogged and I already got some of my stuff from Amazon. I got my package. I'm happier now, but what a day. I had a great day at work, came back home, saw the cricket highlights of India versus Pakistan. And India lost, but you know what? It's okay, this package is here to make me feel better. So that's that, but let's open it up. This is so freaking cool! Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. I'm so excited for this. Oh my god, I got my mat, my gaming mouse mat. And it has RGB lights around it. This is making me so happy. So ignore the mess over here and everything, but here's the mouse pad that I have. It has like lights on the side, which is super cool. Oh, and the red goes perfectly. There's like a tint of red here. My gaming chair, like this is the colors of my gaming chair, but I can change it if I want to. Lots of color options here. And there's one that goes like this. So cool! Hello everyone! I've essentially set up where I want all my things to be. My monitor displays are working. I just have to get the actual PC for my monitor working because that is currently just not working and I don't know what's wrong with it, so I'm gonna have to still figure it out. But I just got my Displate posters. Came in this really nice packaging. They sent stickers and stuff. And are you ready to see this? This is so pretty. I got it. It's so pretty. First of all, it's bigger than I thought it would be, which is really nice. And like, just imagine it here. Like, just like imagine it. Like right here. That's so sick. And I got a second poster as well. This is not the only one. And I did want something anime related. And I was just looking at anime related posters. Like, this is kind of anime-ish, but it's not from an anime. And I was really obsessed with the idea of getting an Itachi poster. So I got Itachi poster and an Itachi poster. This is when he was in the Anbu, and this is when he's in the Akatsuki. Super sick. I also like how it's magnetic, so I essentially don't need a frame or anything. It just kind of like sticks on my wall. Tell me these don't look nice. Look, this is so pretty. And this is even like oh my goodness, the art, like the I feel like they're very contrasting. Like, they give calm effects, both of them. This one's more sad and this one's more happy, but like, vibes are immaculate. Vibes are literally immaculate. Okay, so I got lazy to film this part, but I essentially put up my LED lights and I put up my painting and I put everything I needed to put in its place, and now it is final touch time.
"2020 is the year I'm going in. I'm breaking all the rules, I'm telling lies of what you did. You got me acting stupid for some thoughts and medicine. I feel I'm on the road, getting better as I win. I left a different place and put my heart all on the road. She acting like she better, she can't even get a code. I play with all my stories, I can kick it like a show. No matter what I do, I take my dues, I give me hope. I feel some type of way, I think my brain is going dumb. We drunk and drinking 40s, Coca-Cola mixed with rum. I ran away from you, I feel like everything is fun, so now I turn it into it.
I'm so excited to be filming this part because this is the part where I say I'm done my tech setup. Just like, this is what I had envisioned. Of course, it's gonna build on in the future and I will get future things like fixing my PC, which is currently not working, and that's why one of my monitors is off and it's running off my laptop. But like, I'm done, and it's so crazy. It's December 1st. I started filming this the week before school, like my entire intro, so I think it was August. And it took time for this to come together with the desk problems and the accessories and literal 1 week of trying to figure out how the wiring on my PC and what is wrong with it. Just filming this outro scene makes me feel so accomplished because I got what I visioned and it was actually even better. So now I don't have an excuse to not do my work. I have this amazing tech setup behind me and there's no reason I can't work in it. I love how I just did a full spin there. As you can see, there's like a little ring in my eyes. It's because I'm using my ring light. So there's proper lighting and a proper stand. Thank you so much for watching this tech setup video. If you did, be sure to drop a like, comment below what your favorite part was. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and join the Coder family, or follow me on Instagram or TikTok. That's where all my content goes. And yeah, continue to crack the code.